Hello students, good day. Myself Poonam Gupta. Welcome again to Advocate Bapu Saheb Borde High School. Children, today we are taking subject rapid reading of English 1. Lesson number 7, The Cunning Farmer. So children, what you all can see in this picture? Yes, a farmer. He is a farmer. What he is doing? He is plowing his field. Plowing means he is preparing a soil for cropping with his tool for plowing. So, today we will take one interesting story of farmer. Lesson number 7, The Cunning Farmer. Cunning means, children, cunning means clever, or cunningness means an ability to achieve the things in a clever way. So let's start reading the story. Before reading the story, we will take some sight words that will help you to read the story well. First, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Second, B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. Bought means to buy something. Third, pair. P-A-I-R. Pair. Pair means two. 4. Bullocks. B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S. Bullocks. 5th, plowing. P-L-O-U-G-H-I-N-G. Plowing. Plowing means to prepare a soil for cropping. 6th, hardly. H-A-R-D-L-Y. Hardly. 7. Half. H-A-L-F. Half. The L is silent here, children, in half. Remember that. 8th, angrily. A-N-G-R-I-L-Y. Angrily. 9th, crops. C-R-O-P-S. Crops. 10th, share. S-H-A-R-E-R. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. 11. Plan. P-L-A-N. Plan. 12. Grain. G-R-A-I-N. Grain. 13. Sowed. S-O-W. Sowed. Sowed. S-O-W-E-D. Sowed. 14th, ground nut. G-R-O-U-N-T. Ground. N-U-T. Nut. Ground nut. 15th, roots. R-O-O-T-S. Roots. So, now we will start reading the story. The Cunning Farmer. Let's start, children. Once a farmer bought a field near a hillside. He then bought a pair of bullocks. What do you mean by bullocks? And pair of bullock means two bullocks. And he began plowing his field. You know na, plowing means prepare a soil for cropping. Hardly had he ploughed half the field when a tall man came. Means he is doing his ploughing. That time a tall man came. Then and cried out angrily. What he said? He said, "Hey, you there! My house is at the foot of this hill." He's saying that his house is near his field. Then what happened? Let's see. "What are you doing on my roof?" He is asking to the farmer what he is doing in his nearby house. So what farmer replied? Farmer said, "Please do not get angry," replied the farmer. Then what he said again? "I am plowing the field to sow the seeds. When I harvest the crop, I shall give you a share every year." The farmer knows that he is very angry because of his farming. So, what he decided, children? He decided to give a share to him. But he cunningly deal with him. Let's see in the next para. Now we will start next page. The tall man asked, "What will be my share?" Asked the tall man. He is asking for his share. What he will going to give him. "1 year you take what grows below the ground," said the farmer. "And the next year you take what grows above the ground." Means the farmers tell him that 1 year you take whatever you grow below the ground, and next year he will give him whatever grow above the ground. The tall man was pleased with him. Means he is satisfied with him. Little did he think that the farmer's plan was only to fool him. The first year the farmer sowed the wheat. Wheat means it's a grain from which we can make a chapati. He took all the wheat as it grew above the ground. Children, the wheat are growing all above the ground. But the farmer promised him to give first year what grow below the ground. Then the farmer gave the tall man only the roots which were below the ground. Means he didn't even give anything. He just gave the roots. The next year the farmer grew groundnuts. When the crop was ready, the farmer took all the groundnut as it grew below the ground. Children, groundnut are growing below the ground. So the farmer is very cunning, means he is very smart, because he promised the tall man to give in the second year what is grow above the ground. Then the farmer this time gave the tall man only the leaves which were above the ground. Means in this story the farmer is very cunning, who fools the tall man who wants his share of farm. So I hope you all understood this story and You know how to read easily. Please learn the sight words which is given in the start of this lesson. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.